Come on.
I need to get a tripod for the phone holder. That's what I need to get for classes, isn't it?
There we go. Let me just...
And you get Tropicana bottle of the mouse. This is a proper setup.
The mouse is no longer needed. There we go. Got it. Perfect.
Excellent.
Alright.
Right, so structured approach to doing this. I was thinking I want to make a site of, let's say it's 5 pages, but I also want some sub pages too.
Mm.
Just to illustrate the principle, I want 5 pages, and one of these pages is going to have sub pages. So most corporate sites have the basic stuff, right? They have like a home page, about us, and a contact page. They have services and products, okay, and they'll have maybe something on testimonials is quite nice in terms of like marketing stuff. Now, under services as a heading, you will have what we do. Okay, so whatever the business is, just obviously use your contents page to define it. Something like let's choose an example of an organisation.
So if we're going, for instance, if we're talking about the food delivery and so on, nutritional food delivery.
Right.
So
services, is that stuff like catering?
Yeah, exactly.
Catering, food catering, there's going to be packages maybe.
Yeah.
It could be bespoke, it could be corporate.
Corporate, yeah. And then like weddings, like events.
Weddings, yeah. You might also do some like maybe voluntary work. You might have some voluntary stuff you do, give food for free to charity.
Yeah.
Always a good thing to do for a business. So home, about us, services, testimonials, contact. That's your kind of structure.
It's funny you said that because speaking with the person I had in mind to build the website for, they were talking about voluntary stuff as well. So
okay, that's good. So that's your kind of like headings. So this is one element. There's also now having enough content for these 5 pages. Right? 5 pages plus another 6 pages, 11 pages in total. So I can't necessarily pull it off right now. I'm going to get a website to do it from.
Okay.
It's Lorem Ipsum.
Which one?
Lorem Ipsum.
Is that
the website's called LIPSUM.
Is that as easy as Sitey?
Just does this. Just produce content for you.
Okay.
So you want 5 paragraphs of content. You simply say 5 paragraphs generate, and you get back 5 paragraphs of text.
Okay.
Graphic designers use this stuff to make position their work, right? So I use that for every page.
Okay.
And a combination of images. I've got enough to go with, right? Next thing is graphics. Now, getting graphics, you've got to use royalty-free stuff. That's you're allowed to use.
Okay.
That's got what we call attributions.
I remember you saying that in one of the lessons.
So some websites that do it. Photos is quite a good one. FOTER is quite a good one. We've used it in class before. Which means that you type in photo, FOTER. It's got like 2 million images on there. If I type in the things relating to your project, you should get to find something. Now, catering business, if I just type in catering, catering food, catering service, catering setup.
Okay.
You can see it's all coming down.
Yeah.
Right, the wire. So if I type in catering itself, I'll start getting some nice images appearing. Now I'll take, obviously, probably selective in what I choose.
Of course.
What's a caterpillar doing that? Anyway, thought this is a bit of a cheesy image, right?
Yeah.
I mean, that's such a... Anyway, but let's take some stuff
Very
down.
generic, but yeah.
It is a bit. Let's just take some stuff down, save the pictures, get into my, let's get my pictures area up. And let's save some images here.
Okay.
Website images, I think that's right. So we'll just start saving down now. Variety of things. Let's grab some of these. Actually looks reasonable. That looks good.
Well, next to it doesn't look too bad. But
A truck. Make maybe for the delivery page. There's definitely going to be better images than that.
Yeah,
image
of course.
tells a lot, you know. That's
No,
quite
of
a big
course.
silver service one.
Of course.
See what you like. You see something you like? Tell me.
The one to the left. The one to the left of
This
the
one.
no.
Yeah, go on. So what row is it? First, second,
Second
third,
row.
Second
Fourth
row.
along.
Fifth along.
Fourth along.
This one.
Yeah.
Nice one. Good choice. Very good. So images, the ones we choose, obviously, people said
That one.
That's what it said, for
Yeah.
backfitting.
That one's perfect.
Very good.
If you go one up,
Yeah.
that to the right, well, possibly, I don't know, just
Maybe
something,
that one.
just maybe, just as a
That's so
maybe.
laid out. Okay, they've got a different sort of feel to it. That image.
Yeah,
Right.
I know it does, definitely does. Anything further down?
That's maybe a similar feel to the other ones we've got so far. There's one up there. Plates one at the top over here.
Yeah, definitely that one.
That's from the multiple plates down below.
Probably more. The last row to the right.
Last row to the right. This one?
Nope, to the bottom, to the left. There you go.
Oh, right, there's the little things, cocktail sticks.
Yeah.
Good.
Further down. To the left, definitely. That and the one next to it.
This one. And the one next to the right hand of it.
Yeah.
On there. Yeah, good.
Desserts on the bot. Yeah. On that one,
Yeah.
and then
So what happens, I mean, you choose the images and you also would look to see what matches my
exactly.
things.
Yeah.
So if you haven't found, like, I think we kind of have stuff for that now.
Mm.
Kind of have it for that one now.
Mhm.
About us and testimonials often is a picture of the actual business itself, or like a logo or that sort of thing.
Yeah.
But you can choose any one of these images for that, just to see what else is good here. I also had catering service was on here. Put an image. Let's see what happens from that. Service.
Just the one that way. There's
Not really,
not really much.
Not really on that one. Catering setup. Okay, so we've got enough pictures, I think, now.
Yeah.
That's nice. Outdoor. Outdoor looks like decorations and stuff, like events, outdoor.
Yeah, they look like wedding events and stuff like that.
Yeah,
Actually,
isn't it?
looks pretty good.
That's good, that's good, that's good. Right, I think we've got a good set. Oh yeah, some dry food stuff. Maybe you want to have that one. Okay, so having got that together,
Mhm.
and the text now,
Mhm.
now we go to construction stage. So if I had was on my construction web content already ready, I had every page worked out, every image worked out, every page. And I simply need to simply build the site and just put it together. So I'm going to go into Sitey as a builder, primary builder. And it's already got my account set up here from before, and I just literally got the starting point here.
Mhm.
I can choose something that's going to be either appropriate, like maybe catering or food could be here.
Mhm.
Look at what we've got. Already built in. There's a few things now appearing.
Mhm.
There's that one. There's one there for patient. I can preview it, see what it says. There's a cuisine template.
Okay, that looks nice, actually.
I'm not going to use the one that you use. Right, also, so if you like it, I might not use this one, okay?
Okay.
So go to restaurant and eateries. Let's go back a page. Right to templates again. Let's look at all the restaurants and eateries now. Just
Sure.
search there. Just want to reload that. Oh, that's surprising. Oh, I wonder why they've got none at all. Here we are. Hotels and travel.
Nah.
Interesting, nothing at all for us. Let's just type in the word food and see what comes up. I'll go for all. Let's do a kind of food search. Just type in the word food, didn't I? There's a few styles there, right? The styles they've got like a restaurant style there. That's a very big image, leading image.
Mhm.
Got this kind of combo one, you've got that one there. There's a lot you can choose from, actually. So whatever template you choose doesn't matter because you can change it at any point in time. I'll choose this one. I'll go for this one for now.
Okay, which one? The.
I'm going to go for this one, just for the sake
Okay.
of it. So I click on edit, now I'm in. And it builds a site for you. The starting point, it builds you a site with all the pages in it that's predefined. As you can see, like this is actually just literally text
Mm.
to make this logo. Very nice, actually.
Mm. So you can just literally manipulate it,
You
like
can
change.
yeah, you can
Okay.
get Anna and William, who's gone A and W, then build the thing up.
Okay.
And the menu's up here.
So okay, so that's basically the template you can
You
just add.
You can edit what you see on the screen. The thing you can is the structural stuff. So how is this stuff put together? So there's a menu you've got to edit, and
Mhm.
that menu is based on the pages.
Okay.
So the top level hierarchy is actually pages.
Yeah.
Pages where you manage what goes on.
Mm.
So if you made a page, pages like that,
Yeah.
home, about us,
Services, testimonials, and
and you do
contact.
click on the plus button, make your pages first.
Okay.
When you make a new page, add empty page, you say, let's make one called services. Add a page like this. Okay, when you make a new page, it comes out as blank. Alright, and you can add bits in from there. You click on add, and you can add the bits you want. Add
Okay.
an image, add some text. I think actually it's even got a
Does it have?
template.
Yeah. So yeah.
It's
Okay.
templates. So you go pages, there's even templates here.
Mm.
So you can pull in I was just to choose like a template like that maybe, yeah?
Mhm.
It's our services page, right? Click on that one there, which is like an about, click on add. Hang on a minute, this is a bit, this is done it wrong actually. Forget that, gone all the way. Ignore what I've done completely. Image, headings, text you grab from here. That's just free form, this way of doing it, yeah?
Mhm.
So I could have like a paragraph, chuck it on there, like that. You get an image, very much a free form way of doing it. And these images aren't actually in here yet. I've got to bring my ones in.
Yeah. Import. There's a way to import.
And they've got food and drinks as a section also, by the way.
Oh, okay.
So we've even got template stuff in here.
Okay.
Click on that and bring it in. I'll show you the import function. It's an image there, right?
Okay.
And if you want to bring in from outside images, and you go to add image, upload images, very straightforward. Find a picture you like. That was really. And when you use these images, you've got to have a page about copyright which just says attributions.
Say that again.
A page which says where we're getting my images from.
Okay.
It's got reference back to the source.
The website, basically the web address.
I think every image will have a different approach. So if we take this text as it is now,
Okay.
apply that image in. That's in there now, right?
Yeah.
You see, I'm just literally putting this together by hand. You asked about how I found out where the image is from. So if I took any picture here, like that one,
Mhm.
whatever it is,
Yeah, that
click
one.
click on the picture. I'll get a big version of it, like this.
Mhm.
This is the attribution for the picture.
Okay.
Copy and paste that into your page, which just says like credits.
Okay. So you double click on it to get that.
That's right, you get to it.
Okay, and then okay.
So bring that into, do that, make sure you look for every image you have. You borrowed.
Are you from this website though? You're allowed to
Take
take.
to say it's what attributions here.
Okay.
No commercial use, which is fine, we're doing it for education.
Okay.
Modifications okay, you can edit and hack. Attributions are required, so you have to give credit to those people.
Okay.
Okay, that's how photo works. It's like a community of people.
Okay.
Alright, so that's how you get images in. Now another approach is you might want to also build in a page which is done for you. So this is a services page I've just made now.
Mhm.
Just going to make it now. So I click on save there. I just do save as I go along.
Mhm.
And now first one wants me to make a name for my site.
Okay.
Okay, so I'm going to call it catering 1, 2, 3, 4. Right?
Okay.
I'm going to publish it yet. So this one here, I also can do add, and that's adding individual. Those are things you can add in, like shapes, graphic stuff, video, contact form, Google Map. There's tons of stuff you can start exploring once you get going with this. But you first build your content in.
Mhm.
So my question first is like, how are you going to get your content for a page? So you grab hold of it like that. I want 3 paragraphs. I want to put it onto my page, which is, let's choose one of my pages. Go to about. Here's my about page. It's already done it for me, right? What I'm going to do is just put the bits in. So if I grab the text from Lorem, like that, I shouldn't see any content at all from who's originally provided it, right? I should get rid of all of it. Nothing should be from them. So do that.
Okay.
It's just constructing it now, getting my headings in. If I want to change an image, I can click on an image like that. I can do change image. So now I can go upload another image. See, I'm speeding up now, right? I'm just showing you what you can see here. I'm uploading an image now. That's just what I already called in from earlier. Just replaces it. Nice strap line. Look at this one, long one here, long and wide image. That's fine. I can change that style also. There's an image that goes, a very big, broad image, which covers the header.
Yeah.
Click on that. Let's put in a big image. Or a wide one. I don't know if that's going to work. Let's give that a go. Put these guys in. It's probably not big enough. Let's do it. Okay. It's kind of done it, but you can move it around.
Okay.
You can
So
do
that
edits and
yeah.
stuff. You can edit and stuff, but you can move things around. It's not a great image, to be honest with you.
Yeah.
Probably should choose a better one than that. Some which I think would look nice on a wider image. You've got to choose a big one.
Mm.
Sometimes you can't find it. It's so what? I'm going to look in my gallery. I'll find a better one in here.
Mm.
They've got food and drink. This is a nice one. Maybe let's try that one. Maybe actually that one there. Maybe how's that?
Go ahead.
Delicatessen there. Apply. Not bad.
Yeah, it's good.
Right.
Yeah.
Edit that. Edit that. Edit that. You can move through the pages. You've got to change this. It's all text based.
Mm.
Change that. Strapline. Change this menu now. Now the menu, you go to manage pages. The menu's done automatically. It's just the way this is done. Okay. If you have an object which is a sub-object like that, it's indented under another one,
Okay.
it comes as a sub-menu.
Okay. So that would
So-
be like, for instance, this different services. That it'll
That's
be
it.
okay.
Exactly. So the services page is one example, and add a page.
Hmm.
Go to pages. I'm now going to add another page. I'm going to add a page below the services. I'm not going to do it from empty page. I'm going to add from template.
So how do you do that? Do you click on the page first and then?
Pages.
Okay.
Into pages. Into here. Click on. Or go to here actually. Go to add.
Okay.
Choose from template.
Okay.
I can choose one that I like.
Mm.
So pricing, for example. Pricing tier.
Mm.
Nice, isn't it?
Yeah,
One.
that would be good for like the packages.
Yeah, packages. Like your services page. Nice page. Imagine we had a sub page on your packages, right?
Mm.
We've got page for packages, haven't we? So let's choose that one that you just showed me. Nice one. Add. This one's going to be called packages. Add it. Okay, that's done. And then we're going to go into, what's your prices there? Back to my page editor,
Mhm.
pages. And right now that's not currently indented.
Mhm.
It's its own link.
Okay.
I want it
Add.
under here, so I'll do that. Drag
Just
it-
move it along.
drag to the right. Okay, and that's going to appear under this. So I'm going to preview it. Go back to home. That's how it's looking, right?
Even the what was I
Wow.
gonna say? The
So-
animations and that. How?
There are animations built into it, so you can customize those.
Okay.
That's stage 2 for you,
Okay.
right?
First, just build it.
Packages, there you go, it's packages page. That's good, right?
Mhm.
So there you go. When you finish it off, finish preview, you save your work, you then hit the publish button and it gives you a live link.
Mhm.
You then can pay for things like real website name, e-commerce, you can pay for anything else on top of that. Alright, I think you can go with this.
Okay.
So,
So-
you get started.
On site, so it's free to use Sitey anyway.
Mhm.
Okay.
Entirely free. You might stop the recording now.
Pardon? Oh yeah. Cheers. Thanks for that.